Oh, there's an important thing. Most people, they don't know. The mandible, and in early animals, especially reptile, is not one bone. There's multiple bones. But then, with evolution, the mandible is called dentary part that has the teeth become the sole part of the mandible, and the remaining two or three bones become part of the ear chip and become the ancus installation and one part of the tympanic plate. While the maxilla, let's say the maxillae, because we don't have one maxilla, we have two maxillae. They meet together in the midline, and the midline is the center of the growth of the maxilla. And that's why we have problem with people with cleft palate. And we work with a plastic surgeon. They delay the cleft palate. They do the lip, but they leave it there. Because every time you do surgery in the palate, especially in children, you'll damage the growth center of the maxilla. So we'll end up smaller maxilla. Usually the maxilla is the boss, cover the mandible. But if there's a damage of growth center, the patient will be class 3 usually. The mandible bigger than the maxilla. That's why older books, anatomy books, they don't call the mandible, they call it lower maxilla. That's why we have the phrase bimaxillary fixation, intermaxillary fixation, maxillofacial surgeon. So, long time, the maxilla is the jaw. Mandible is also, Latin is grind or jaw, but now the new books, the mandible is mandible.